you've made them as a kid, you've seen great versions on Pinterest. That's right, paper snowflakes. In today's craft, I'll show you how to make snowflake garland of various sizes using a single sheet of standard computer paper. Fold the paper in half long ways and cut. Cut that piece in half. Then fold and cut long ways again. Repeat these steps several more times to prepare the paper for the smallest size snowflake. One piece of paper will yield you either 2 large snowflakes, 8 medium snowflakes, or 32 small snowflakes, depending on what you want. I'll demonstrate one of the largest snowflakes because it's the easiest to see. Fold the strip of paper in half 4 times or until you have 16 sections. I like to fold each division one side at a time on the mountain side of the crease for higher accuracy. The folds end up more even this way. Once you have 16 sections, refold them into an accordion fold. Mark the center of the squashed accordion. Use a push pin to poke 2 holes, then run a thread through both of them, tie and cut. A staple would also work on the large sizes, but you can't staple the smaller ones. Take your pattern, place it on one side of the staple, and trace. Flip the pattern over and trace the mirrored side. Now we cut. Using a sharp blade over a cutting mat will yield the cleanest results. Why did I choose a round design to demonstrate? Curves are way harder than straight lines. Once you're done, it's time to unveil the snowflake. Simply pull the opposite sides of the accordion down to meet each other, and voila! A beautiful design reveals itself like magic. Connect the 2 sides with either tape or small strips of paper. I like to use paper because it disappears into the snowflake and doesn't catch the light like tape does. I don't know, feels classier. Try out all sorts of patterns to see what you like best. I tried another one using this pattern and I think I like it the most. It's the exact same steps for the smaller sizes of snowflakes. Naturally, the smaller they get, the harder it is to make precise cuts, so I do recommend simplified patterns for the smaller ones. If you're having trouble expanding the flake, might I suggest a pair of tweezers to get in there and pinch things open. Here's a couple example patterns I tried on the medium-sized snowflakes. The smallest size was so teeny-weeny that I didn't bother with the pattern. I found it easier to eyeball it. Whew, it worked! Aw, isn't it cute? It's only the size of a quarter, I'd say. If your fingers get tired, uncut versions of the snowflake also look pretty good. Out of curiosity, I tried to make an even smaller snowflake by cutting the smallest size into fourths. Can it be done? It's a bit wonky, but it turned out alright, I guess. How small can you go? Once you're done manufacturing snowflakes, string them all together with a white cotton thread. There you have it! Beautiful, delicate, and a great way to dress up a room. See you tomorrow for the next craft! 안녕!